Hello, my name is Kam and I will be leading today's tutorial. The product owner for this project is Dr. Mario Eraso and the mentor is Dr. Masood. This user story focused on adding sounds into the application. The sounds include music throughout the app, playing a chime when buttons are clicked, and the voice for selected activities. This also includes adding a preference page to turn each respective sound on or off. The beneficiary is the user since they now have sounds throughout the application, which enhances the experience of using the app. The reasoning behind adding sounds is that the user can get into the mindset of the application easier. Of course, we also provide options to turn them off for users that may find the sounds distracting. These are the use case diagram and the sequence diagram of the user story. I will demonstrate the user story using the emulator of Android Studio. Click on the preference button to change the sound settings. First, we will turn on the chime. Now we will turn on the music. The music is continuous throughout. There is no break from one page to another. It doesn't restart. Now you will turn on the voice.
And they all lived happily ever after. And they all lived happily. And they all.
The voices right now, it's only a placeholder. This is the class diagram of the user story. The chimes are implemented inside the activity classes. For example, let's see, to comparison activity, you can see we have a click listener on the compare button, and it checks from the preference file to see if the chime should be played or not. And it is the same for the other activities as well. The music and the voice are controlled through the sounds control class. Here. We performed numerous tests to make sure that the sounds performed correctly throughout the different activities of the app, and that the sounds are played according to the preferences set by the user. If you have any questions, you can email my partner Lisa or me through the emails displayed on the screen. Thank you.